Hello guys, how y'all doing?
Hey, how you doing?
So today's video we are going to be talking about the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream. Everybody I feel like is comparing this product with the It Cosmetics CC Cream. So I wanted to test this guy out. We will see if this guy is comparable to the It Cosmetics CC Cream. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. Okay, so this is the e.l.f. CC Camo Cream. It's supposed to have full coverage, a natural finish, color correcting. It has collagen peptides. So this is what the packaging looks like. I did test out the color prior to filming. I picked up the shade Fair 140W. So has a nice pump. Let's try this out. So I think for today's video, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Putty Primer Applicator on one side. I have used this brush for foundation in the past. And then I think one side I'm going to go in with my Beauty Blender just to see which coverage and application method I like better, okay? So I'm going to go and use one pump on the hand. And then let me try the Beauty Blender side first. Let's go in. Oh, that's a lot. That is coverage. Okay. So let me spread that out really quick. I definitely don't need the full pump. So previous to filming, I just washed my face and I applied my moisturizer. I did not apply any type of primer because I wanted to see the actual finish of the CC cream alone without any primer. Okay, so it looks a little light. Probably looks lighter more on camera than it does in person, but I feel like it's okay. It's better for it to be lighter than too deep for my skin because I can always bronze up the skin and make it look more cohesive. So definitely full coverage. I've been seeing all over social media that this CC cream is comparable to the It Cosmetics CC cream. The only difference I can see right off the bat between the two is that this is SPF 30 and the CC It Cosmetics cream has SPF 50. I feel like this is a little bit low, but for being so affordable and being e.l.f. for $14, by the way, it retails for $14. I feel like if you have a nice moisturizer prior to going in with the CC cream, I feel like this is actually a good deal because then you'll have extra. Then you can get extra SPF from your moisturizer plus the 30 from the CC cream. So I don't feel like it's that bad for being e.l.f. Pretty nice. So look at the coverage. Definitely covered me up. Now let's go in, sit with that same pump on the brush side. I want to see if I can really cover up all like the dark spots I may have on my skin. So definitely giving me the same coverage. If not, if anything, I feel like this side should give me more coverage than the Beauty Blender side. Anytime you go in with a sponge, you get lighter coverage because it is a sponge. It does soak up some of your product. So I'm going to go in with another half pump. I don't want too much. So what I'm noticing also is that this CC cream, I wanted to call it foundation because since it's so full coverage. But anyways, the CC cream I'm noticing is not having any type of sort of scent. I just smell it to make sure. I'm not noticing any type of scent. Being that it has an SPF, you would think that it has that, that sunscreen smell that lingers around. This doesn't have that. So that's kind of nice. I'd rather have no scent than smelling like SPF. So that's nice. Something else that I'm noticing is that the CC cream goes a long way. I feel like it's not too thick, but I feel like your product definitely goes a long way. You're not finding yourself having to apply so much so much of the product. Okay, so this is what the face looks like. This is the um, brush application side, and then this is the beauty blender side. I feel like the brush side is a little bit more fuller coverage. Like I said, I expected that, but this is what it looks like. I really like this. I didn't know if you guys would like to see a CC cream by It Cosmetics and the e.l.f. side by side. I just wanted to do a review for you guys. But let me know in the comments down below for the future if you guys would like to see things side by side or just the review itself, like today. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my concealer. I'm going in with the e.l.f. Camo Hydrating, specifically concealer. I'm going to just go in. I'm going to try pretty much to use everything e.l.f. into this video. I feel like it'd be nice to see everything e.l.f. and all these products that I have used them multiple times, and I feel like it'd be nice to see all my e.l.f. favorites in today's video with this CC cream. I would normally use a color corrector for my under eyes, but like I said, I want to use everything e.l.f. today. I feel like I'm getting okay coverage, which this concealer is bomb. Super affordable, and it is very comparable to the Shape Tape, except not being so drying, and it doesn't like stick onto the under eyes. Okay. Wow. Very nice. I love how my skin looks right now. So the other reason, like I mentioned earlier, that I did not apply any primer is because I did not want my primer to kind of change how the finish was going to be on this cream, this product. I wanted to see what the finish and the outcome would be once I applied it. So I don't know if you can see, but it is very natural looking, just like it states in the packaging. It claims that it's natural looking, which I definitely see that because I have a very nice subtle glow to the skin, very like skin-like finish. So I do enjoy that. It's not super like oily, it's just very natural. So slight tackiness, but nothing major. Okay, so let's move on to bronzer. For bronzer, I'm going in with one of my favorites. I talked about this bronzer, I believe, in a e.l.f. drugstore haul, all e.l.f. I believe. But this is the Primer Infused Bronzer. This comes in 3 different shades. I feel like they can still work on creating more shades. But this is the, I don't know what shade this is, which this is one of the things I hate about e.l.f. is that they don't have the shades in the back. But I will list it down below because I'll look at my order history. But this is one of their bronzers. It's really good. I have used this off camera. This bronzer retails for $6, so super affordable. And look, really pigmented. See? So let me just apply a little bit. I don't want to go too crazy today with bronzer. By the way, the CC cream comes in 15 shades. So pretty good selection there. I did notice that they do have a few shades for the deeper skin complexions. So I like that they're including a good range. Okay, I'm gonna just bronze up a little bit around the face because since we are a little bit washed out with that CC cream. There we go. And then for blush, this is actually one of their newer products. This is the Putty Blush by e.l.f. This is in the shade Turks and Caicos. I do remember picking up this shade. The only thing I don't like about the packaging, again, no shade name on the back, but these are really good. They're cream blushes. They're super pigmented. Let me swatch it for you. See, really pretty, like a pinky peach shade. Really nice. I am going to go back and pick up some more because I do like it. I'm gonna actually wipe off my putty. This is the, what did I say it was? It's the putty primer applicator. I actually like to use this brush to apply the cream blush, which I should have not applied bronzer if I was gonna go in with a cream blush, but it's okay. I'm gonna warm up the blush on the back of my hand because I don't want to go too crazy since we already applied bronzer. I'm gonna go very light. I don't want to go too crazy, like I said. I think that's it. That's why I went in with the back of my hand and just kind of took away some product. Okay, so super pretty. And I feel like it didn't pick up any of my bronzer, which is nice. And I like that it didn't pick up any of my base, which is a CC cream. Okay guys, so that completes my base. This is with blush, bronzer, a little bit of highlight. What do you guys think about the skin? I feel like it looks nice. I feel like everything that this product claims is true. It is full coverage, natural finish. I like that it has collagen and peptides, some really good like skin ingredients. So yeah, definitely color correcting. It took away any dark spots, any hyperpigmentation you may have. It covers up pretty much everything. I feel like it just gave me a complete, like, very lightweight foundation skin-like look. I'm gonna go in and do a quick little eye makeup look, and then I'll come right back to finish off my look. I'm using the Bite, I think I'm gonna use this one today. I'm gonna go with the Bite eyeshadow palettes. Guys, these are $3 and they're amazing. Super compact. I've talked about these before, so I'm not gonna talk about them, but anyways, I'm going to go in with the Very Bad. I believe that's the name of the shade. Yes, this one does have the name on the back. The Very Bad palette. Super pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeshadow look and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I am back from applying just a quick eye look, and then I actually used both palettes. I used a brown from the, I took off the tag, but from this palette right here, this is like the golden warm tones. So I did a quick eye look and then I applied my mascara. For the lips, I applied a lip liner by Kylie in the shade Bear, and then I went in with my favorite lip balm. This is the Ride or Die lip balm by e.l.f. So I like this lip balm because it does have like a tinted color to it. There is pigment. So this is what it looks like. It's like a little gloss. It's a balm, so it is a little glossy. And then that's it. That pretty much finishes off the face. For eyebrows, for my brows, I did the e.l.f. I used the Instant Lift Brow Pencil in the shade light brown. So this is actually a brow pencil that I love. For $2, this is an amazing, amazing brow pencil. Only if you like a wax brow. So that is it guys for this video. I just wanted to compare it to the CC cream. I do own the CC cream. Biggest two things that I noticed is that it's full coverage. I do see the claims of it being natural finish. It's not too drying. It's not matte. It's very like cream-like, just like it claims. The SPF 50, sorry, the SPF 30 is the only biggest difference that I would notice from the It Cosmetics CC cream. This is SPF 30, the other one is SPF 50. Another huge difference is the price difference, of course. This is only $14. You get over a fluid, 1 fluid ounce. In the CC cream, of course, you get more. Again, higher price tag. It's like $38, $39 range. But for $14, this thing works amazing. I love the end result of the camo cream. So yeah, that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.